We're Kat and Andrew, and in early February we bought this empty van and have spent the last 8 months converting it into our tiny home on wheels. Our plan was to finish this conversion by August and be on the road, but I think we all know how this year went. Follow us as we try to finish this conversion and go on our first adventure, even if it's only in our back garden. We're not finished yet, but it finally feels like the end is near. So it's 2021 and this is going to be our first vlog of the year. I just realised today, or Andrew pointed out, that we've actually had the van for over a year now. We're getting there. So today we are going to work on kitchen. We're going to put the backsplash up, which is going to be just white subway tiles. I'm actually really excited to get this done because I think it's going to look, hopefully, really clean and nice and finish it off. At just actually before the end of 2020, we did a few stuff in here that you haven't seen, so I'll show you that, and maybe if I have any flashbacks. We're working on the countertop today. We've already glued it together.
I woke up feeling like this gonna be my day. I got that popping fire every step I take. Living that wild life, not stopping out no way. Just seeing green lights won't never touch the brakes. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
And now we just need to cut it to size and cut out the holes for the sink and that.
The equipment you will need to do this is a circular saw, a sander, a jigsaw, and an Andrew.
We just cut the short edges off this, so they're now the correct width. We just brought the whole thing out, checked it against the size of the kitchen itself, and it all looks good. The next step is that this whole thing is way too wide, so this is the front edge of it, right here. This is quite a nice front, so we're going to try and leave that and cut the other end off it. So this is the back, so the rough cut will be hidden next to the wall.
That was a smoothless. Smooth.
We can sand it all down so nobody ever sees it.
Nice.
That didn't split yet anyway.
This isn't as visceral as I thought it would.
We fixed the kitchen into the van a while ago, but we're actually time to do the fun part of putting on the worktop and cutting the holes for the top. Bit late, but you know.
Getting video?
Yeah.
Have a kitchen.
We do.
Got a little tap in your fridge that turns on. Cooker that turns on when it's plugged into shore power because our batteries are currently flat. And we can make tea.
But we can't use the sink or else the water will go in the ground.
There's also no water in it.
I get that too.
There's a water tank, but there's nothing to get the water from the water tank to the sink.
When you're up on top of the world, you're gonna like how you feel. Cut through like you're a blade.
Not using any battery power.
No way, nothing gets in your way. Inside you there's a path. Keep pushing through the chance. You'll be an avalanche. You're gonna like how you feel.
I don't think so much footage of making a cup of tea has ever been taken before, but I think as you can see we're extremely happy to have our van in a state where we could turn on the electrics, heat up some water and actually make a cup of tea. It actually feels like a new working environment to have somewhere where you can make tea, and we can even store food in the fridge now, which is amazing. I just thought I'd throw up this quick vlog to show you how we ended out 2020. We've still got a ways to go, but we even have more done than what you can see here. Next we'll show you us adding tiles and finishing off the kitchen, and then we have the entire other side of the van to do, but you'll see what we do to that when we get there. As always, thanks so much for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments or give us a like. If you're doing your own van, give us a shout out so that we can follow you and see the progress you're doing, and maybe we can get inspiration from each other. Bye! Chat to you next time.